We will first take a bun and cut it in 2 halves. The next step is to spread butter on both the sides of the bun. So I have used around 1 tablespoon of butter for both the sides. Now we will toast the insides of the bun till we get a very nice golden brown color on the inside. We will toast it with the flame on medium. Gently press on the buns. Here, the toasted bun is ready. It looks so crispy and so delicious. We will keep these aside. Now we will be steaming the egg. For that, we will first grease a bowl with oil. I have used around half a teaspoon of oil for this. Then we will crack an egg into the bowl. You can leave the yolk just like that, or you can beat the egg. I prefer beating the egg. We will now steam the egg for around 3 to 5 minutes. We will place it in a pan or any vessel and add some water into it and close the lid. While the egg is being steamed, we will prepare the spice mixture. For this, we will add half a teaspoon of kasuri methi, some salt, half a teaspoon of chilli flakes, half a teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder, and we will mix this all together. The egg is now ready. We will remove it from the pan and let it cool. While it's cooling, we will take a bowl with 1 tablespoon of chopped onions and add a tablespoon of mayonnaise into it and mix it very well. Now the egg is cooled, so we will have to loosen the sides of the egg so we can get it out from the bowl. Once it loosens, flip it over on a plate and then place it over on the toasted side of the bun. Now we will go on to sprinkle the spices over the egg patty. We already have the mix ready, so we will just sprinkle it. I've also sprinkled pizza seasoning over it. You can use oregano instead, or you can just leave it. Now we will spread the mayo mixture on the other half of the toasted bun. Let's spread it out evenly and nicely. Then we will place it over the other half of the bun. And your delicious lip-smacking egg burger is now ready to be devoured. Enjoy!